Welcome to PPT Dynamics. So let's start with the tutorial. So go to the Insert tab and in Videos, insert the video. Here I'm going to use this space video. Okay, I have taken this video from the Pixabay. Alright, now in the next step we will go to the animations and we will give it play animation. Alright, now in the playback option, we are going to trim this video because I don't want the starting part of this video. So we'll start from here and then press OK. Alright, done. Okay. Now in the animations, let's open the animation pane. And here we are going to start the animation with previous. Now in the next step, let's go to the 3D models, stock 3D models. And here we will go for Earth. And here we are going to select this Earth. And then press Insert button. So here we have the model of Earth. Okay. So now here I'm going to select this side and I'm going to lift it a little bit upwards. Alright, and bring it in the center of the slide. That's it. Now in the next step, we are going to give it some animation. Okay. We are going to give the turnable animation, but we'll give it half spin only and only for 4 seconds. And we'll start this also with previous. So let's play from. So here I have India in front. Okay. So for the same glow, we'll go to the add animation. And in the add animation, we'll go to grow and shrink animation. In the more effect options, here instead of 150, we'll just give 130. And then OK button. But we have to do smooth start for 2 seconds and then press OK. That's it. And we are going to increase the duration. Alright. So here let's have a preview for the same. Done. Now in the next step we are going to enter. And here we will go to the insert. And in the add add-ins, we'll go to the web viewer. Okay, I've already added it, so I'll go to my add-ins. If you want, you can go get it from get edits. So I'm going to increase the size of this by pressing the Ctrl plus Shift, and so I'm going to increase the size to this much. Alright, let's zoom out a little bit. Here in the Google Maps, now here I will type the location. So first of all I want it to be India, so I'll go for India, and then here we'll go to the menu and we'll click on share or embedded maps. So we are going to click on embed a map and then we are going to copy your HTML. We are going to paste the same link, but we have to remove everything that is present before www. So we are going to delete. That's it, and we will click on preview button. Excellent. So here we have the map of India from the Google Maps, like this. Okay. Now in the next step, we'll go to the slide number 1 only. Here we are going to insert the icon, and in the icon I'll go for location icon, and I'm going to just select this one only and then press insert. For the same, I'm going to convert it to shape, and I'm going to give it some yellow color maybe, or red. Okay, now click the right mouse button, and here I'm going to save it as a picture. So as soon as you hit save as picture, you'll have to select the location of the file. Okay, and then hit save button. Now I'm just going to delete this. Now insert, we'll go to the zoom option. In the slide zoom option, I'm going to insert the slide 2 and then click insert. Here I'm again going to click the right mouse button and I'm going to change the image to the picture. So we'll go for the file and we are going to use the saved image. Now we can just reduce the size of this and then place it somewhat over here. Okay, and here we forgot to start it with the previous. Alright, now let's have a preview. Okay, now here are some changes that we have to do. So let's go to the slide number 1. We are going to select this and in the zoom option, and here for the zoom borders we are going to select no outline. That is the first thing. Now for the same we will go to the animations and we are going to select appear animation, but we'll start it with the previous and we are going to delay it by around 3.75 seconds. Now let's have a preview for the same. Beautiful, isn't it? So you can repeat the same steps so on as you go on.